Happy New Year and welcome to 2016. Hope you all had a good year. I'm at work, it's Monday 4th of January, back to work, and today is the day that most people go back to work, back to normal after the holidays. It's a crappy day here in Guernsey. Windy, it's raining on and off, chucking it down at times. And I'm in for a quiet day. I'm on a 12-hour shift, 7 till 7, so I'm stuck here all day. And there is going to be very little to possibly no flying of small light aircraft today because of the weather. So I think on the cards for me today is, if you can see it from here, the yellow and blue helicopter in the distance there. I've got a cleaning sheet for that at work, so I'm going to have myself a coffee and I'm probably just going to get stuck into cleaning that, give that thing a polish today, and see my day through, whatever else goes on. Right, I'm now closing up. We fast forwarded straight through to the evening. So I'm just closing up work. We've got the Embraer sticking out the hanger across there. It's obviously gone tech. They're fixing that. So I'm going to get these doors shut. Today has been long. It's been a long 12 hours. It's been a quick vlog for you guys, but it's been a long 12 hours for me. We've got a sparkly clean polished helicopter now. I managed to make that last most of my morning. So she's looking rather shiny, even if I do say so myself. Gave my arms a little bit of a workout. That's nice. Brand spanking new Cirrus on the 2 reg. Gorgeous aircraft. And watch spider webs if there's one there. What do you reckon of this for a registration? Bit of a poser or what? And my little pit bike. Just waiting for some more summertime weather to get back out on this thing. It's probably covered in dust. It's been sat here so long. It's not bad. Every so often I give it a wipe over. But yeah, as soon as the sun comes out, summertime again, we'll get her back out. So I've closed up the hangar. I'm just gonna shut the radio off, do a bit of hoovering and that inside, crawl round on the wings, watching not to smash my head, which I've done many times before.
If I told you how you could have
and
more
then I'm
money
getting ready
at
to
the
get
end
out of here, go home and have some tea. Actually, I've got one more aircraft to show you before I do shut down the hangar completely and go back through to the office. Got a pretty cool little jet over here, little Eclipse jet. November 843 Tango Echo. And I don't know whether this name would mean anything to you guys, but Bruce Dickinson, if you don't know who he is, that's a clue. Google his name and see who he is. But that's his little jet, part of Aris Aviation, little Eclipse jet. Can't really see in the cockpit. Oh, yeah, there you go. Little glimpse into the cockpit. It's all just monitors and screens. So yeah, pretty cool little jet if you ask me. So yeah, that's it. That's the end of my day. My long 12 hours at work has finally come to an end. I'm going to finish up my last little bits, get out of here, get home, and get some tea in my belly. And the best part of it is, I've now got 5 days off work, so I'm going to enjoy 5 days off. Oh shit, I've left the light on over there. Dick. Okay, well, I've sorted out my light situation in the hangar, and now I am done. I've just got to fax off my Mayfly in a minute, and then I'm pretty much done. And I'm good to go to get out of here and get home and have some tea. So I'm going to end the vlog here. Hopefully it hasn't been too quick and too boring. If you've got a bit of an interest in planes, and might be of some interest to you, it gives you a little insight into my day at work during the winter time when it's quiet and no one's flying. It's long and boring. I'd much rather it be the summer and aircraft coming in and out all day long, but there you go, you got to take the good with the bad. So yeah, I'll end the vlog here. As I said at the beginning of the video, Happy New Year to all. Hope it's a good one for everyone. And I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. And hopefully there'll be many more videos to come. So I'm going to say ciao for now. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.
Not entirely sure how safe it is walking around, but
Just catching up on Louis this time. I'm crap with my timing.